I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I swear that I love it. I swear that I love it. Not to be cocky, but
welcome back to my channel. It's Tati Lashai here. Today's video is going to be I'm gonna be doing a review on this hair that I have in right now. Y'all feel like when I like big curly hair, y'all, I just like the big curly hair. I be feeling like sassy, you know what I mean? Like, it just gives me a sassy like feeling when I be wearing curly hair, if that makes any sense. Okay, but anyways, into the video. Yeah, let me trying to pull up my email because I can't remember the exact name of the hair. So let me find my email. Where you at? Okay, so this hair is from a AliExpress, one of their vendors. Let me log in. Yeah, okay. So it's called Mishere. Mishere. M-S-H-E-R-E. Peruvian deep curly hair. 3 bundles with the closure, non-remy, free part lace closure with human hair bundles. 1 bead. The lengths I got were the 16, 18, 20, and a closure was 14. I did cut it to get it to like my liking, the way I want it to look. I didn't pay that much. It was about like maybe 80 something altogether. But I don't know if it was on a sale at the moment, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, me share 4 pieces and blah 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 blah. But yeah, like I said, this is the hair that I currently have in. So let's first get into it about this hair. I like the look. It's just more of a natural because like it kind of looks like my real hair. Like, you can't really, honestly, it kind of looks like my hair because like y'all know I'm natural, so it could pass for my real hair if you didn't know me or something like that, and yeah, it could pass. Earlier this morning, it was like all the hair was kind of like in the same cut, like a sort of like, you know, coming down sort of type, but I just moved this over and I cut me a bang. The texture of the hair is really soft. I like it because like when you rub your, you know, most hair, some hair is just like when you touch it, it feels like hard and like rough, but this hair, it's soft. I can honestly say like it's soft. This is actually a wig. I made it on a wig. I doubled the first two wefts. I doubled the first 2 bundles, and then the last one I did it single, and it's full to me. I like the fuller look. So the hair, 3 bundles and a closure, 4x4 closure was enough. So yeah, I got that, and I got the 4x4 closure, which is this right here. Like I said, I did cut. So the texture of the hair is really soft. I like these curls. It's like I like the, you know how big it is, and like, you know, I just be liking that sort of so look. As you can see, the curls, how the curls are looking, they're kind of like big, and you know, a little, I like combed them out just a tad bit to get that little, you know, big sort of look. But I'm going to show y'all guys how it looks when I wet it. So I'm going to just do this. I'm going to just do this part in the front. And all I put on here is just water and conditioner, and I can say it does take product really well. And like, look at that, those wet and wavy curls. That's how it looks when it's like wet and wavy. It has that look to it. It's sort of like, you know, like a Jerry Curl kind of look to it. Y'all can go on my Instagram, Tati Lashai, and actually see I posted a little clip, like a little video or whatever, of the whole wig, like wet and wavy. Like I wet the whole wig, so it's wet and wavy, the whole thing. So yeah, that's how it looks. For the most part, y'all, I really actually do like this hair. I like how it gives me that natural look. I like how full it is. I like the curls, the texture. Like I said, it's really soft. Pricing wasn't too bad with me, but the three things, the cons of this hair. Let me tell y'all, because there are some cons about this hair that I did not like and I do not like. A problem for tangling. Easy tangling. Like, see? Yeah, it's really like... Number two is the shedding. Like right now, it's not really, anything's not really necessarily coming out because I've already combed it out earlier. So it's not gonna, I can't really show you guys that much. The tangling, the shedding, and then another thing, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just pull the wig off first so I can show you guys. Y'all know how when you have weave and then how the part when you wear it, the part back there in the nape of the neck. I know a few people have been like, well, you can't really tell how your hair is going to react, how hair is going to react. And I've had this hair for about 3 weeks. I had it on. I've been wearing it for 2 weeks. So it's been like, I've been wearing it every day for 2 weeks. The only thing I haven't did was sleep in this hair. So, but everything else I've been able to, you know, like tell what the hair does with the texture, with the tangling, with the shedding. I've been able to see all of that without having to have it fully installed. The only thing I haven't did was sleep in this hair, and I've been able to test or see about it without being able, having to sleep in it. So I don't really see like sleeping in it what's it going to do, because I've already been able to see what the main issues are with the hair or what I like about the hair. So I don't some people be like, oh, you need to sleep in the hair just to get a feel of it. Nah, I'm able to see it without having to sleep in the hair. But anyways, I'm rambling. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay. So, see right here in the nape of the neck part? I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, look at this. That's a con. The tangling is a con. The shedding is a con. And then right there when you're wearing the back of the nape of the neck is like, I don't like that. Those are the only things about this hair that I don't like. Other than that, y'all, I like this hair. Besides the shedding and stuff like that, I like this hair. It's probably not gonna really last that long, because as you can tell with the whole shedding situation, you're constantly the manipulation and stuff, the hair is continuing to come out. But I'm trying my best to keep it up to the best as I can, as long as I can. Whole non-Remy situation, that plays a big part in why it's shedding, why it's tangling, and why I'm having that issue, because it's non-Remy. I know a lot of people don't like when hair sheds or it tangles and stuff, because it creates a lot of issues, but I'm willing to work with something to make it look like, you know, make it look worth something. I don't have no problem with trying to work with it, because I mean, I like stuff that's a little project that I can work on and trying. But like I said, since it's not in me, I can't prevent that. It's okay. I like the looks I can get out of it. But yeah. So that's basically all for this video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My bad. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. That's all for the video, you guys. I'm about to go eat because I am hungry. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Say me too, girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, babe, I'm